All right, in this video, and this is done because of all the comments I got, I'm gonna take my Guitarlele, or Guitarlele, or Guitarlele, or however you like to pronounce it, and I'm gonna tune it like a guitar, and I'm gonna show you what happens to this. Matter of fact, I don't even know because I haven't even done it myself, so this is gonna be a test for both of us to see what happens when we tune our Guitarlele like a guitar. Hi, I'm Terry. Welcome to ukelikethepros. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you can stay up to date with all the lessons, ukulele, guitarlele, baritone, everything else I do right here on my channel. So, if I was just to play this, the tuning of this instrument is starting from the first string, A, E, C, G, D, and A. So that's the standard tuning for this Guitarlele. All right. So that means when we strum this chord right here, this is a A chord. But a lot of people say, why don't you just tune it like a guitar? So I've never done it. I'm going to tune this thing. So remember, a guitar, if this is an A guitar is an E. So I have to tune it down. Right? I don't want to go up because that's going to put too much tension. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down from A to G to F to E. So I'm going to go down a fourth and see what happens. Alright, so here I go. I got my Guitarlele tuned like a guitar, which from the first string here is E, B, G, D, A, and low E. Let me play what I played earlier or something similar. Well, it really wasn't the same, but you get the idea. Notice what happened. It's really flabby. The string's really flabby. Now, these are classical guitar strings, so that shouldn't account for it. But this thing, what happens is it doesn't really sound too great to me, but just these strings grabbing them. Playing them, I guess it's kind of cool to bend, but they're so loose. Yeah, they just don't feel right. They don't really sound right to me. And actually, I'm surprised this thing's staying as close as in tune as it is because I just, basically took all the tension off this thing by lowering this thing a fourth. So to me, it just doesn't work. It's just. There's not enough tension in the string. Plus, notice I'm getting a little bit of buzz on this string when I play, especially if I play a little bit better. So anyway, that was a good experiment. At least I know now what happens when you take your Guitarlele, you tune it down a fourth, you tune it up like a guitar. To me, it just doesn't work that well. But maybe you experience something different. So let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you like what we did here, and we'll see you next time.